Air warfare is no longer about dogfights and daring pilots. The skies are becoming crowded with unmanned aircraft, intelligent systems, and advanced weaponry. This new era of air combat is driven by rapid technological advancements, particularly in drones, artificial intelligence, and autonomous systems. These technologies are not just changing the way wars are fought, but also raising important questions about global security and the future of conflict. For decades, air power relied on expensive, crude aircraft. These platforms were vulnerable to sophisticated enemy defenses. Today, the paradigm is shifting. Drones offer a cheaper, more expendable alternative. They can perform a variety of missions, from surveillance and reconnaissance to targeted strikes. The increasing sophistication of AI is further enhancing their capabilities, enabling them to operate with greater autonomy and precision. Drones represent the most visible change in air warfare. Unmanned aerial vehicles are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They can operate for extended periods, carry out complex maneuvers, and deliver a range of payloads. One notable advancement is the development of drone swarms. These coordinated groups of autonomous drones can overwhelm enemy defenses. They are difficult to target and can conduct a variety of missions, from intelligence gathering to electronic warfare. Sweden's recent unveiling of a drone swarm designed to support ground troops is a prime example. This system relays real-time video footage from above, providing invaluable situational awareness. Another game-changer is the emergence of autonomous weapons plants like Anduril's Arsenal 1. This facility, set to begin production in 2026, will manufacture military drones and autonomous air vehicles, significantly increasing the availability of these systems. AI is no longer science fiction. It's rapidly becoming a battlefield reality. In air warfare, AI is being integrated into every aspect, from target identification and threat assessment to mission planning and decision-making. AI-powered systems can process vast amounts of data in real time. They can identify targets, prioritize threats, and even suggest optimal courses of action, all at speeds human operators simply cannot match. The partnership between Anduril and OpenAI is a clear indication of this trend. By combining Anduril's expertise in defense technology with OpenAI's cutting-edge AI capabilities, this collaboration aims to significantly enhance counter-drone technology. This includes developing AI systems that can autonomously identify and neutralize hostile drones, protecting military bases and troops on the ground. The increasing use of drones, autonomous systems, and AI in air warfare raises profound questions about the future of conflict. On the one hand, these technologies have the potential to make warfare more precise, reducing collateral damage and civilian casualties. On the other hand, they lower the threshold for the use of force. This could lead to an increase in conflicts and a more unstable global security environment. The Pentagon's Replicator program, which aims to rapidly deploy a large number of autonomous drones, highlights this dilemma. While the program faces an uncertain future, it underscores the growing importance of autonomous systems in modern warfare. As these technologies continue to evolve, it is crucial to establish clear ethical guidelines and international norms for their use. Failure to do so could have dangerous consequences for global security.